All right, got the water on. I just started it on Saturday for somebody that came and looked at it. So, and it's Tuesday, so it's probably gonna start right away, but it was like a cold start on Saturday and it didn't start very fast. You gotta remember it's a manual pump, manual gas pump, so it doesn't exactly start right away when it's been sitting for a while. All right, here we go. Key in. Oh, I lied. Starting right away. I'll have it redone for whoever buys it. I dinged that prop last week in Havasu when they had that monsoon. We were on the water and I took it to the shore and I didn't get the drive up in time and ding, so I'll get it repaired. So here's the lights. I know you can't see it that well, but if you were to hit this, it'll like come down. So hit this one. I know it looks funny on my phone, but you can kind of see where the lights go. But if you hit this, you see that the red lights are filling up. So and then the right side up, and then it moves the right side up. See the ones that are going up. So I know it's blinking, but they do work. You can see it over here. When I hit the power on the trim, it's moving them. So they do work. Everything works. Oil is always good. Runs like about 60, 70, 60 pressure. It has a new thermostat, so it runs at like 160. When it's idling, like when you slow down, it goes back down to 140. So it runs really good. When you got wide open throttle, it's like 170. So it runs perfect. But all the gauges work. Everything works. The throttle response is really good also. Let's see, how do I show you this? So I'll put my hand here and you can watch the RPMs, I guess, but it's like, can you see that? It's really awesome throttle response. It doesn't skip or when you're pulling a skier or a wakeboarder or anything. It runs perfect. No issues. Idles every time. That's one thing I'm not nervous about, is the boat starting when I get to the dock. I think it runs cherry.